Today we are creating some fun art. Pouring paint is a fun way to dabble in painting without needing to commit a lot of time or energy. This is one of my favourite techniques to do when using SuperCell pouring paints. All you need is 3 or 4 colours, a cup and a canvas. All of the colours in the SuperCell range work well together, so pick your 4 favourite colours. I'm going with titanium white, turquoise, navy blue and teal. Next we are going to add the colours directly into the cup. I find pouring them slowly in creates the best results. Shake the bottle before pouring them in. You don't want to pour too much in. I'm aiming for about 1/8 of a cup so I can get multiple layers of the same colour in there. So as I'm pouring them in, I'm just alternating between white, turquoise, teal and navy blue. Trying not to pour too much of any black and gold if you're using them, as they can overpower the colours. Also keep in mind the first colour that you put in the cup will be the top colour when we flip it over. You also want to fill the cup all the way to the top. I highly recommend putting on gloves before this next step, as it starts to get messy from here. Once they are on, pick up the canvas and cup gently. Flip the canvas over and put it on top of the cup. Put your hand on the top over the cup and flip. Pop the canvas back down onto the table and then we are ready for the magic. Pick up the cup and watch the paint spill out. You should see all of the paint starting to create little patterns and the colours revealing other colours underneath. Pick up the canvas and start tilting it slowly to move the paint around the canvas. You can see I angle the canvas to try and cover the edges first before tilting the canvas and trying to cover the corners. Some paint may run off the canvas at this point, and that's totally fine. It's all part of the process. It's fun watching the art take shape as it moves around the canvas. If you have any trouble getting the paint to the corners, you can grab a wooden stick and use it to spread the paint out, or you can always pop more paint into your cup and pour it back onto the blank areas. Once all of the corners are covered, you're done. Put it aside to dry. This may take a while, up to a day or 2. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and learnt something today. Stay creative and we'll see you next time.